Hi, are you looking to take pre-orders? Once you upgrade your account and have that option, when you come in here to your items section, so you can click over here, or you might find it here, but once you get into your item, and you can create a new item to make that your first pre-order item. However, if you want to turn one of your existing items into a pre-order item, you'll click on the item. It'll open up the information. You'll scroll down almost to the very bottom where you will see some additional information, but sell as pre-order. And if you slide that, it'll then give you some pre-order settings. You click this right here, and it'll give you just a real quick little setup here. The best part is that when you are customizing this information, if you do not customize or if you want to customize your hours, you click this and change them. If you do not do that, it'll just use what your current location's fulfillment hours already are, which is great, right? So if you set those up, that'll, allow that, but you can go ahead and either allow a single date or a date range. So a date range might be from the 5th through the 15th. It'll then show that for you. You can have it cut off at a certain time. This might be the end of the school year, for instance. So if you want to not take orders for a certain item after a certain date, for instance, you could just select that at a certain time, and then that item will be removed, if you will, from pre-order options whenever you plug these info pieces in. So that's basically about it. You would click done, and then that item now is going to be available for pre-order from this day until this day. Using your typical location fulfillment hours. If you wanted to change them though, you click this, click your start time, your end time, and that's when it'll be available each day. So of course, if you went from 7 a.m. until 2 p.m. every day, that would be when you could prep order or pre-order this item. So that's kind of the quick way in which you do that. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy to help. Turn that off and make sure I've unselected all of the things there when I clicked the X. Once I went back to the way it was, it didn't ask me to save. So you're all good to go, but let me know if you have questions. Thank you.